Greetings from Lulviksbadet, the nudist beach part of it. Yes, as you can see, I'm in Luleå commune, Luleå municipality, and this is a nudist beach, as you have seen in the beginning of the video, with the sign Här börjar NUDIST, which means here begins nudist beach. However, irregardless if it's a nudist or not, I have passed by also from the public beach as well, and there was not a single soul even there, as well as here on the nudist beach, because it is a very cold day, 12 degrees Celsius, despite being 24th of June, and we had midsummer a few days ago. Now I am for 36 hours in Luleå, and I already spent 5 hours almost at the airport because it was raining, and I thought that I don't need that much time to be on the beach because it's gonna be quick beach adventures, as later I'm gonna head towards the city. But I really need to show you this beach because it's super amazing, and it has view over Luleå, the city, which I'm heading to next by walk actually, since I have all the time in the world. And you can see also the factories here. I think there are one of the most popular factories here in Luleå. A city of 80,000 people, the 25th biggest city in Sweden, and the 5th biggest in Norrland, I believe. The beach is sandy, the main part of it, but there is obviously forest all around, and the airport is just 2 kilometers away. So if you are coming to Luleå, you can go directly to the beach if you are enthusiast and beach adventurer like myself. Now I thought it is gonna be a bit colder than it is, but the wind is not so heavy, which means that it's around 12 degrees, feels like as well. But I'm really curious how much is this in the water. And as you can see, we have here beautiful sandy part that's actually mostly wet right now because of the wind. But this is actually the only official nudist beach in Luleå. But obviously along the coast you can find some other nudist beach spots as well. And I have passed by the public beach, and it's a bit bigger than this. And to my surprise, here the water is very shallow. So let's measure it right here. The water is see-through as well, despite all the factories nearby. You can see we have light rain and heavy clouds. If I'm lucky tomorrow before my departure, it's gonna be a bit sunny, and I will come here again to show you how it is on a sunny day. But it won't be much warmer than this anyway. Ooh, okay, 14 degrees Celsius, I thought it was 9. But 14 degrees is bearable. It's a bit warmer actually than in the air. Slightly colder, the Baltic Sea here. This is the Bothnia Strait, or Bothnia Gulf as it is called, that ends up on the border between Finland and Sweden. Yes, I'm very close to Finland, only 120 kilometers and I'm gonna be in Finland. But I could have gone actually, there's nothing much to see. Haparanda is the city on the border with Finland. On the other side, the city is called Tornio. It's actually one city divided in two. It's very strange, but there is no border obviously because it's European Union. There was a border during the corona actually, and they were not letting people in and out. It was very silly, if you ask me. But yeah, Lulviksbadet, nudist beach. This is, can't believe that I have made it first time ever in Norrland. This is the northernmost I have been ever in Sweden. Earlier than this was only Uppsala, that's just slightly north of Stockholm. And north of Sweden has a lot more to explore, so I will be coming soon. So the flight is 1 hour and 15 minutes from Stockholm. If you go by car, it is 900 kilometers, so quite the ride, I would say. The flight was very cheap actually. Return flight was 450 crowns, which is around $40, $45 now maybe. So yeah, my flight back is tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. and I haven't booked any accommodation, so I'm planning to roam around the city and I'm gonna sleep then when I get back to Stockholm. Because it's gonna be day all day, so it says that the sunset is at around midnight and the sunrise is at 1 a.m. so that's practically no darkness at all. And it would have been perfect if it was slightly warmer and a bit sunny, but it is what it is. Okay, shall I go more? The more I go, the colder it will be, I guess. But the water is so nice, and we can see here also there is the public beach and this is the nudist beach. And it continues along the way, so you can actually find even more secluded spots here along the coast, as there are basically trees on the beach. It's very interesting. I haven't seen trees so close to the sand. Are the trees growing on the sand? Very interesting. And we can see the factories as well. And let's see if I'm gonna get sick from this trip because it is cold, so my feet will be wet also from the road that is also wet, but you only live once. And my first dip in Luleå in Norrland. Let's go! Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that was perfect. I just wonder why there is nobody here. The water is nice. Okay, to be fair, this would have been the same if I was in Stockholm. Not so many people are inclined to swim on a weather like this. I'm an exception. Or should I say, I'm different than the others. So, yes. Okay, the water is nice, so I might go later also on another beaches on my walk to the city. But greetings from Lulviksbadet, NUDIST beach in Luleå, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!